Hello, welcome back to my reels, and if you know, my name is Tia, and welcome back to my world. And thank you so much for your love and support for my last video, and I really appreciate that. I'm going to teach you how to do a makeup in 5 minutes. Yeah, that's true, 5 minutes, and it will give you a very glam look, natural look, no makeup kind of. When I say 5 minutes makeup, it sounds little difficult, but trust me, it's very easy, and when you practice every day, it's very easy to do. So yeah, let's get started. Before I start my makeup, I'll just put 5 minutes timer and I'll show you. Within 5 minutes I'll just finish my makeup. So the time start now. You can see I have just applied a moisturizer and I'm just applying the foundation. Just applied a foundation. I will skip my concealer because I don't have that much dark circles on my eyes, so I'll just quick do my eyeshadows. And I'm using the NARS palette, so I'll just use these two color. Yeah. So I'm just keeping very minimal and a very like classy look, because I don't like to apply a lot of eyeshadow on my eyes, because as you know, even if I put lots of eyeshadows, can see. So I prefer to apply eyeliner, because whenever I apply eyeshadow, never show up. So I mostly prefer to apply eyeliner, because no, we need some glitter. Because it enhance your eyes. Now I'll quickly apply my favorite blush. This is from Rare Beauty in the shade Worth, and this blush, it's so good, so good. I cannot express my feelings, but this is the world best blush. Also from Rare Beauty in the shade Worth, but this is matte bouncy blush, and I love this color, but I love this liquid. This is my go-to blush. So if you ask me in makeup what you like the most, and I will say blush. And this blush, you just need very tiny amount and just blend it with beautiful hands of yours. And yeah, now I'm going to apply mascara, and this is the best mascara I have used in drugstore, and this is the best mascara I have found in market. This is so nice. See, if you can see my eyes, this is so good. And if you know which mascara I'm using, please comment me and tell me. Overline my lips with lip liner. And I'll use the Anastasia lipsticks. This is ABH lipsticks, and this is Perfect Nude for Indian skin tone. So now what I do is I'll just apply some lip gloss. Can't find my lip gloss, guys. I'll just apply. As you can see, I still have 14 seconds left, but my makeup is already done. And this is my go-to makeup. If I don't have time, or if I have very less time, then this is how I do my everyday look. And hope you like it. And yeah, we'll see you in next video. Thank you so much, and keep supporting and spread some love. Bye.